That sound is a frame snapping. A mistake you only make once. We scoured the market, bought the most hyped scooters of 2026, and pushed them to their absolute breaking point. What we found was a landscape of clever marketing and catastrophic engineering flaws. One premium model disintegrated at 15 miles per hour. Another hit a battery danger that could have been disastrous. But in the wreckage, we found two champions, scooters so brilliantly designed, they are not just transportation, they are a revolution on two wheels. Number 1. Large Kick Scooter for Adults. This scooter features large pneumatic wheels for stability and comfort on uneven surfaces, making it suitable for both adults and children. Its ergonomic design includes a wide deck and tall handlebar for superior control. Constructed with a lightweight carbon steel frame and upgraded wheels, it supports up to 220 pounds. The scooter is equipped with a responsive handbrake for safe stopping and includes a kickstand for easy parking, along with updated assembly instructions. Number 2. Micro Kickboard Mini Deluxe. Micro scooters are known for their smooth gliding and durable design for both children and adults. The Mini Deluxe Kickboard, designed with lean to steer, provides stability for young children learning balance and coordination. It's lightweight yet strong, supporting up to 110 pounds, and features an adjustable T-bar for children ages 2 to 5. With a 2-year warranty, replaceable parts, and minimal assembly, the Mini Deluxe scooter is built for longevity. Number 3. Micro Kickboard, Kickboard Monster. Micro Kickboard is the US partner for Swiss company Micromobility, maker of the best quality scooters, kickboards, and other innovative personal transport solutions for children and adults, all designed to help you create a better, more sustainable lifestyle. Experience the joy of micro scooters, join the revolution, and ride in style on your next journey. Asterisk comes with T-bar and joystick. Both handlebar styles included, designed for adults and teens, the Kickboard Monster offers street surfing at its best. Wide wheels, cool graphics and wide track offer better balance and greater stability for those wanting to create long curves and build up some speed on the streets. The flex deck is made from a composite of fiberglass and marine ply, which together with precision bearings, absorbs bumps and guarantees a smooth ride. The Monster combines all the best features of the Kickboard original with go-anywhere wide wheels. A rubber insert on the rear protects you from brake heat. In joystick or T-bar mode, you get a skateboard-style ride with more control and maneuverability. The Monster stays upright, so it is easy to park, or fold it up and carry it with you using the Monster's patented folding mechanism. Number 4. Micro Cruiser LED, two-wheeled. The first micro scooter was invented in Switzerland when a group of friends wanted a quicker way to get from A to B without relying on bulky bikes or having to haul their car out of the garage. Since then, they have sold millions of their streamlined folding scooters around the world. After spotting the Swiss scooter in a Clapham playground, two moms, Anna and Philippa, teamed up to distribute micro scooters in the UK and share their passion for Micro's bright idea with the nation. Micro was created to make everyday journeys better. Better for today's families. Better for our world. Over 20 years later, make it better is a shared goal that continues to drive all we do. We're on a journey. We have a long way to go. But we're committed to doing our bit every day to have a positive impact for people and planet. Number 5. Micro Kickboard, Maxi Deluxe 3. Micro Kickboard is the US partner for Swiss company Micromobility, maker of the best quality scooters, kickboards, and other innovative personal transport solutions for children and adults, all designed to help you create a better, more sustainable lifestyle. Experience the joy of micro scooters, join the revolution, and ride in style on your next journey. Founded in 1999 with the launch of the original micro scooter, our Swiss founder set out to design a high-quality scooter to go the micro distance, a distance that was too far to walk, but too short for a car ride. The road ahead is smoother now. Whether you're a daily commuter, a last-mile traveler, or just chasing that childhood feeling of freedom, the perfect scooter for you is waiting. All purchase links, for our top overall pick, the best budget workhorse, and the ultra-portable champion, are in the description below. Asterisk did this save you from a dangerous or disappointing purchase? Pay it forward with a like. Share this with anyone who rides, and subscribe because next week, we're testing hoverboards that actually work like they promised in the movies. Until then, keep rolling.